Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be introducing you to the wonderful world of crystal healing. I know, some of you guys are some experts when it comes to crystals. You have an amazing collection. However, this video is targeted for those people that are just not getting into crystals, want to get into crystals, or just kind of want to learn a little bit more. If you're already into crystals, you can stay, hang out, let me know your feedback, and add anything to this video in the comments down below. Crystals have been used for centuries for their healing properties. I know there's some people that don't believe in the healing energy or the healing properties of crystals, but there's something to it. For centuries now, people have talked about crystals and their ability to protect, heal. Crystals are believed to work by balancing our energy centers, aka our chakras. Each crystal has its unique frequency and vibration, and by working with them, we can tap into those energies. I'm going to start off with some basics that you need to know as a crystal enthusiast. First, how do you choose a crystal? One of the first things that might come to mind is, how do I even pick my first crystal? The number one rule to follow is to pick a crystal that resonates with you. You can do this by searching different types of crystals and their properties and kind of just getting a feel for what you need in your life. Or you can just simply walk into a crystal store and go based on what calls to you. What are you drawn to? What colors are you drawn to? Alright, so let's say you got your very first crystal. What do you do with it? First, I recommend doing a quick little cleanse. This doesn't have to be crazy with water or anything. You can simply do a sound or a smoke bath. You can use a singing bowl, different healing sounds, or simply use an incense Palo Santo to give it a little quick smoke cleanse. You can also utilize different crystals like selenite to cleanse your other crystals. Alright, so you have your first crystal, you've cleansed it, now what? One of the things that I recommend you doing is sitting with your crystal in meditation and just connecting with it. You can also at this time set an intention with the crystal. Another way you can utilize your crystals in your everyday life is by placing it in the specific room. So let's say you have to work all day in your home office. Placing a crystal that is for focus in the office with you is a great way for you to connect with it. Another great way of working with crystals every single day is by wearing it as jewelry. If you are a brand new crystal collector, I recommend getting a bracelet, a necklace, earrings, or any other kind of jewelry so you can carry that crystal energy with you all day, get a feel for that crystal, and really just channel that energy. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into programming your crystal. This means setting an intention with the crystal. I recommend getting a crystal that resonates with whatever intention you're going for. So let's say you want to get a promotion at your job. I would recommend getting prosperity, abundance, or career-oriented crystals like pyrite, citrine, etc. What you want to do is place the crystal in your hand. This can be done during meditation, after a yoga session, or any other time you are feeling spiritually in tune. You can see a few affirmations as you hold the crystal. You can visualize or do any other spiritual practices for manifestation. Now let's say you simply just want a crystal to calm your anxiety at night. Another way for you to program your crystal is by putting it in that environment. So you can take an amethyst stone, place it by your bedside at night, and unwind with that crystal so you can get those calming and tranquil energies. It's important to recharge your crystals as well. You want to place them in sunlight, cleanse them, and just give them a little break. Crystals come in a variety of sizes, shapes, colors, sometimes as jewelry, sometimes as home decor. It is important to get a feel for your favorite type of crystal so you can continue to utilize and work with crystals every day and grow your knowledge. Research is essential. There's endless research when it comes to crystals, so just take a deep dive. Also, keep in mind you don't have to utilize crystals for their spiritual purposes. You don't have to believe in the metaphysical properties. If crystals just being pretty make you feel good, it's okay. Utilize those crystals as home decor, as jewelry, or any other way that you see fit. Anyways, that is all for today. If you want to shop my crystals, hit the link down below. If you want to start your own crystal shop, check out my Patreon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this video down below. Kagome out.